There's a saying in the field of comedy: always punch up, never punch down. Kalam Patua is roasting us collectively as a society. It's really simple. I'll explain. This, by the way, is a scene of domestic violence. The faces have no expression, and this means we have to look at the image really carefully to figure out what's going on. He isn't normalizing domestic violence, obviously, but he is talking about it. This is what is special about the KALIGHAT painting technique. The story is the most important thing. The characters are used only to push the story ahead, and that story could be either contemporary, socio-political, or even mythological. And Kalam Patua is one of the last artists from that style of painting. You should know that the largest collection of KALIGHAT paintings is actually not in India, but in London, in the Victoria and Albert Museum. I wonder why. The artist uses classic KALIGHAT painting techniques: beautiful and clean, bold lines, minimalistic backgrounds, blended watercolor shading, deep unshaded blacks, and a lot of transparency wherever needed. How he paints is not new, but what he's painting is new. Putt or scroll painters have been painting mythological themes in India for over 1,000 years. Yeah, 1,000 years. Yes, putt paintings did have utility back then. It was the literature, the art, the news, and the television of its time. This artist's practice is diametrically opposite to the classical idea of the urban artist finding inspiration in the rural landscape. This is an inversion because Mr. Patua sits in a small town in West Bengal, India, using social media, his memory, and his observations to make these commentaries on society. This artist is using a painting technique that belongs to the 19th century KALIGHAT painting style in Kolkata, but has modified the content from mythology to current socio-political themes. Calling Kalam Patua a folk artist even today is unfair. In fact, he should be additionally celebrated for reviving the age-old KALIGHAT painting techniques. I forgot to tell you something really crucial. Mr. Kalam Patua is professionally and officially the postmaster at Rampur Haat city in West Bengal. I spoke to him recently and he told me something really personal. His wife has been unwell since 1983, and that leaving a government job for a full-time professional art career is just not feasible, and that he really loves what he's doing. Is this... Yeah, he's lifted her. Love can move mountains, I guess. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.